Right now, I'm standing on the banks of the Periyar River in Aluva. Every morning at 5:30 a.m., a quiet revolution unfolds right here. And who is behind that revolution?
Meet Saji Valashedil. Every day at around 5 a.m., while much of Kerala is still asleep, hundreds of people gather along the banks of the Periyar River in Aluva. They are here to learn a skill that Saji Valashedil believes everyone should have swimming. For more than 2 decades, Saji has been teaching swimming free of cost through the Valashedil River Swimming Club. What started as a local initiative has grown into a community movement that now trains more than 1,000 people every year. To date, he has taught over 15,000 students. The inspiration for this mission came from a tragic boat accident at Tattekada in which several school children lost their lives after a boat capsized. The incident deeply affected Saji and convinced him that swimming should be treated as a basic life skill rather than an optional activity. Since then, he has dedicated himself to ensuring that as many people as possible learn how to stay safe in the water. The participants come from all age groups and backgrounds. Children as young as 1.5 years old attend the classes with their parents, while school students, working professionals, senior citizens, and people with disabilities train alongside them.
പേരെന്താ?
Anna Tyson.
Okay, ഇവിടെ നീന്താൻ വന്നതാണോ? ആഹാ, എത്ര വയസ്സായി?
Anju.
5 വയസ്സായോ?
According to Saji, learning to swim is not just about recreation or sport. It is a basic life skill. He says one of the first things parents should do for their children is ensure they learn how to swim, as it can help prevent drowning and improve water safety awareness.
അതായത് ഒരു കുട്ടിക്ക് ജന്മം കൊടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അവരുടെ ഉത്തരവാദിത്തമാണ് നീന്തൽ പഠിപ്പിക്കേണ്ടത്.
Okay.
അത് അവർ പഠിപ്പിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരു
ഉം.
ഒരു മാസം മാറ്റി വെച്ചാൽ മതി. ഒരു മാസം 1 മണിക്കൂർ മാറ്റി വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ പിന്നെ മുങ്ങിയവണ്ണങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടാവില്ല.
The classes run from November to May and pause during the monsoon season when river conditions become unsafe. When the program resumes each year, many former students return as volunteers, helping to organize classes and assist new learners. Saji's training has benefited people from a wide range of backgrounds and abilities. Among those he trained was a swimmer without both hands who later went on to participate in international competitions. He has also helped several children with physical disabilities learn to swim and cross the river independently. Training sessions begin early in the morning with warm up exercises before participants enter the water. A unique system of floating lanes created using tide tubes and floating devices allows learners to progress through different stages at their own pace. Despite the large number of participants, the program operates with the support of a dedicated team of volunteers who help maintain safety and organization throughout each session. The atmosphere is particularly popular among children. Many say they enjoy coming to the river every morning, not only to learn swimming but also to spend time with friends and take part in activities organized as part of the training. At the river, everyone trains together regardless of age, profession, or social background. For Saji, that sense of inclusion is just as important as the swimming lessons themselves. As dawn breaks over the Periyar River each day, hundreds of learners enter the water, continuing a program that has helped thousands gain confidence, overcome their fear of water, and learn a skill that could one day save their lives.